In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add apps in Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your favorite tools into Teams so you can work smarter without switching windows. First, open Microsoft Teams on the web or desktop. On the left side of the screen, look for the Apps icon. This is your gateway to the Teams App Store, where you can explore tools from Microsoft and trusted partners. Give it a click to open the apps experience. You'll see featured apps, categories, and recommendations tailored to common workflows like notes, project management, and approvals. If your organization limits certain apps, you may see a smaller selection, which is normal. At the top, you'll find a search bar. Type the name of the app you want to add. OneNote is a great example, but you can search for any app your team uses. As you type, suggestions will appear. This helps you quickly spot the official app, and you can also open an apps page to read its description, reviews, and what permissions it needs. Taking a moment to scan these details can save you time later and ensure the app matches what you need. When you've found the app you want, select it and click Add. This connects the app to your Teams account so it can run inside the Teams interface. Depending on your organization's policies, you might be asked to accept permissions, or your admin may need to approve the app. If a sign-in is required for that app, you'll be prompted to authenticate with your existing account for that service. That's expected, especially for productivity apps that sync your files or notes. After the app is added, click Open. Teams will launch the app right away, usually in its own view or tab inside Teams. Give it a moment to load the first time. From here, you can start using the app as intended, taking notes, checking tasks, or integrating content into your chats and meetings. If the app offers a brief setup or onboarding screen, just follow the on-screen prompts to finish. A couple of quick tips as you get comfortable. If you ever want to learn more about an app you've added, revisit the Apps area to read its guide, see what it can access, or find support links. If something doesn't appear as expected, refresh Teams or sign out and back in. That often resolves small hiccups. And remember, the availability of apps can vary based on your organization's settings, so if you're missing something, your IT admin can help. That's it. Click Apps, search for what you need, add it, and open it. You're ready to extend Microsoft Teams with the tools that fit your workflow.